How can I fix lag in Google Chrome in less than 1 minute? Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix lag and make your Chrome browser more faster. So please keep watching until the end, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be solved. First thing you have to do, guys, is just go to the top corner and click here on those three dots, and then go down. You will find the settings option, and then go right here to the system option, and after that all what you have to do is disable the continue running background apps. Make sure to disable it, and disable the hardware acceleration option also. And then all what you have to do is go to the reset and clean. Now all what you have to do is click on restore settings to their original default. Click here, and then go to clean up computer and click find, and then go back again and make sure that the hardware acceleration is off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.